Deciphering South Indian Slang. Dive into Desi Dialogues. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode on Regional Slang and Colloquialisms. Today, we're journeying down south to explore the rich tapestry of South Indian slang and colloquialisms. Given the vast linguistic diversity in this region, we'll uncover some unique and fun phrases that might sound unfamiliar even to North Indians. South India comprises states like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Each of these states has its own native language, which means that English is often mixed with local languages, creating a spicy mix of Indian English. These colloquialisms are often borrowed from regional languages and are widely used in day-to-day conversations among locals. Matcha, a term of endearment, akin to bro or dude. Commonly used in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Chetta, used in Kerala, it's similar to brother. It's a sign of respect when addressing someone slightly older. Ayo, an exclamation, often indicating surprise or mild distress. Equivalent to, oh my god. Idea jolly, used in Kerala to say, what a great idea, or, that's cool. Tight, in some parts of South India, this means someone is drunk. For example, he's a bit tight, means, he's a bit drunk. Kai, in Tamil slang, it often refers to theft or stealing. Don't kai my pen, translates to, don't steal my pen. Hey Matcha, long time no see. Ayo, I dropped my phone in the water. That movie was idea jolly. We should watch it again. I think he's a little tight. Maybe he had too much to drink at the party. Don't leave your belongings unattended. Someone might kai them. There you have it, folks. A quick dive into the world of South Indian slang. Remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg, and there are countless more colloquialisms out there waiting to be discovered. Embrace the local lingo when you visit, and you'll surely win some smiles. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.